Hello everyone, my name is Mark. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market, and I'm going to share with you what I see on the chart today. Stay with me and enjoy. Before we start today's video, let me show you. In the past few days, I was talking about the bullish scenario on Bitcoin. If you check the videos, Bitcoin's bull still have power. Bitcoin looks bullish. Be prepared. Bitcoin to $11,500. I was talking about the bullish scenario on Bitcoin for few days, and yesterday I told you if Bitcoin break out of this purple line, we are gonna be so bullish on Bitcoin. And now, as you can see, Bitcoin is still going up, and yesterday was about the $10,900, and now Bitcoin is going to be reached to $11,100. I'm going to show you different charts I have got on Bitcoin, and as you can see, at the moment Bitcoin is breaking out of all resistance we have got at the moment. If you check this falling channel, which is with the white lines and the red background, Bitcoin is breaking out of this one as well, and it looks really bullish for Bitcoin to go and reach to the upper line of this symmetrical triangle, which is the purple line. It's about the $11,600. I'm going to show you all the charts I have got on the Bitcoin today, because this scenario is really bullish for Bitcoin, and we are waiting for Bitcoin to break out of all-time high for this year, actually $12,500. But we have got still few resistance in front of us. Actually, we need to break above the $11,100 at the moment. Bitcoin needs to stay above this one, and after that move to the upside again. The first resistance at the moment we have got is $11,100. That makes a new high, actually a new higher high, because as we can see, we have got a low, we have got higher low, we have got another higher low, and now we need to make a new higher high, because we already broke out of this previous high, and actually we are making a higher high in this area, but it is not good enough for Bitcoin to stay bullish. The thing we need actually is to break above this previous high, which is about the $11,100, and after that Bitcoin can bounce about this area or can go sideways for a few days or weeks, and after that break above the this upper line of this symmetrical triangle, which is the purple line. Let me just change my chart. Actually, if I go to other chart, as you can see, we have got the zone in here. I was talking about these two scenarios I told you before in the past few days. Actually, I told you this zone, this area is actually so similar to this one. As you can see, the purple line was broken and Bitcoin was going to the upside, and after that was broken, we have got few purple line, and Bitcoin was coming back to test them. If you see in here, one time it was tested and Bitcoin went to the upside and back and test this purple line again. After that it broke the second one and back to test it, and now we are breaking the third one and Bitcoin is going to the upside. But what we have got in here, there is a really important zone for Bitcoin. It looks like a resistance. It's a heavy resistance because it was working as a support before for Bitcoin, and now is working as a resistance. If Bitcoin can manage to pass this resistance, actually, as Bitcoin already broke out of this, I was talking about this broadening wedge, this yellow line. I was talking about this broadening wedge. I told you if Bitcoin managed to pass this line, it actually looks really bullish for Bitcoin, but now it's playing out and Bitcoin is still struggling in a resistance area, resistance zone actually. But if Bitcoin can pass this area, it is really bullish for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is already broke out of this yellow line, and if Bitcoin can stay out of this yellow line, it is really bullish for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin can reach to the upper prices. Let me just go to another chart and show you the other things. On the USDT on Binance, Bitcoin actually is breaking out of this white line, which was working as a resistance for Bitcoin, and it is really bullish for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin can pass this the white line, which was working as a resistance, and do not fall again to this area, it is really bullish for Bitcoin. If I'm going to show you, yesterday I was talking about Bitcoin on this chart on the 4-hour time frame. I was talking about Bitcoin. I told you this is really bullish for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin cannot pass this falling wedge for the first time, we might see Bitcoin is going back down to $10,400, and after that it's really possible for Bitcoin to break out of this falling wedge. And I told you another scenario: if Bitcoin could pass this falling wedge and stay in here, and we might see Bitcoin is going to the push to the upside, and first resistance we have got, it's October's pivot about $10,900. As you can see on the chart, Bitcoin was struggling to pass this $10,900 area, but just for few hours, not actually even for a day. And after that, Bitcoin was playing in this area, as actually Bitcoin, it's really powerful to break out of this $10,900 area as well. And let me just zoom out. It was working as a falling wedge for us, and now it's broken as well. If Bitcoin, we are only in the on the 4-hour time frame, if Bitcoin managed to pass this one, it is really bullish for Bitcoin. As you can see, this yellow line was working really well as a support and resistance. It was working as a resistance in here, and support in here, and resistance in here, and now it's working as a support again for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin managed to stay above this all resistance, this yellow line, this blue line, and this white line, actually it is really good for Bitcoin to start another bull run to the upside, which we need to stay above $10,900 area actually, which I can see that one it's really possible. Let me just change the chart again. I was talking about this scenario. I told you for a long term I'm expecting Bitcoin to do something like this. I'm on the daily time frame, and if you can see in here, I told you that's the most likely scenario on the blue lines. I told you that's the most likely scenario I'm looking for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin was broken this white line, which was working as a resistance for a few years, and after that Bitcoin was playing with this purple line, and this white line was playing in a falling wedge. I told you this support about the $9,700 area is really powerful for Bitcoin, and I'm expecting Bitcoin to break out of this purple line. Just let me zoom in. This purple line, which is working as a resistance for us, and after that first we are going to reach to $12,000, and after that it's really possible for Bitcoin to break this one out to the upside, and we are going to see the target of $19,000, and after that we are going to see a crash again, and after that one Bitcoin can manage to start another bull run for the upper targets. But now, as you can see on the chart, it looks like Bitcoin on the daily time frame is actually broke this one out, and it's working really great. It is a really bullish sign for Bitcoin. Let me go to another chart as well. But what we have got in here, I told you this movement actually is going to be so similar as this one. This one is going to be similar as this one. I'm expecting that Bitcoin is going to be reached to about $11,500, and after that maybe we are going to see a crash again to this area first, $11,000, or maybe we are going to see a crash to $10,800. Everything is possible, but the most likely scenario, I think I'm bullish on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin managed to pass this one straight away, that's really bullish for Bitcoin. But if cannot pass $11,500 area, I think we are going to see another crash. That might be the last chance to buy Bitcoin in a cheap price, and after that Bitcoin start to go up again. The other thing actually I want to show you, it's Ethereum. We need to look at this one. As I was talking about Ethereum yesterday, I told you if Ethereum managed to pass this purple line, it is really bullish. And when Ethereum actually decide to go to the upside, to the like a few percent to the upside, there is no correction on Bitcoin to get it and start to invest in that again. Everybody waiting for a correction on Ethereum, they lose the movement of Ethereum. If you see in here, there is no correction, straight away Ethereum is going up. There is no correction, just a very really big shadow to the downside and again to the upside. And after that in this zone was struggling, but when Ethereum managed to go to the upside, there is no actually correction for Ethereum to invest in that. If you want to invest in Ethereum, it's not a financial advice, but I think in this area, if Ethereum can manage to close the daily candle about this area actually, which is about $350, it is a really good chance to invest on Ethereum, because after that, if Ethereum to decide go to the upside, actually is going to be fast, I think. And if I show you, the total market cap is really doing great at the moment, and the purple line is broken now. I think it's a really chance for all the cryptocurrency market to start another movement to the upside for 2020 and 2021. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one, and see you guys in the next one.